Friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. The famous quote. So, if we are 6 times right in our trades, we will be successful in our trading business. Before going to the details, just go to the disclaimer. So, in this video, we'll see how we have to trade the next week. Next week, starting from 22nd June to 26th June. How to trade Nifty, Bank Nifty. So what are the levels to watch and how we have to trade. And we'll see one option strategy for next expiry, next month expiry. That is July expiry. How to have a strategy in Nifty. So straight away I'll go to the technical charts. So this is Nifty weekly chart. So last week we saw that this is the important level and it is closed previous week and it has not broken on the downside. So the momentum is up, right? So now the hurdle for the Nifty is the last week high. This is the a little bit of hurdle for the Nifty, that is 10,330. So now this hurdle may be surpassed due to the momentum. See, the momentum is upside, so it may cross this week. So now if you see the this is the rally, small correction and rally. So the extension of the rally is just touched the 61.8%. If this level surpasses and moves upside, next month target can be around 11,000. July. So based on that, we'll have one option strategy also. So now this is the important. And another one is the gap area. The weekly gap is here around 10,700 and 10,800. So note down these important numbers, 10,700 and 11,000. So this, based on these two strike prices, how we can have a option strategy for July. So now it take on a daily chart. If you see the momentum on the daily chart, so this weekly I am removing this. So if you see on a daily chart, this is the rally, drop, again the rally. The rally next step is 10,484 on a daily basis. So once 330 crossed, the next level is 10,480. I am not surprised in this week the Nifty touch this level. I am not surprised. And the lower side, this is the decent support formed now. This already filled. So now this is the decent area to go long. So 9,800 and 9,700. Until unless Nifty closed below 9,700, buy on dips. So any correction, any small dip that can be bought with a stop loss below 9,700 on closing basis. So next level is 10,484 and next 11,000. These are the key levels on a. So I told you these two levels, 10,700 and the higher size 11,000. Based on the two strike prices, one can attempt a bull call spread. That means 10,700 call can be purchased and 11,000 call can be sold. The risk is limited and the reward is good reward. You will compare with the risk to reward. So I'll give you In the end of this video, I'll give what is the risk involved and what is the return we can expect in this bull call spread. So now you see these are the levels to be noted for the next week. Next week it may be tested 10,450 kind of levels. This gap area. This gap already filled here. So next gap is only on the higher side. So here a small gap. So 10,700 and the next level is 11,000. So this based on that I'll show you in the end of this video. Please go through the end of this video, right? So this is for the Nifty. Now we'll go to the Bank Nifty and see what are the levels to be watched. Nifty Bank. So this is the Bank Nifty daily chart. First we'll see on a weekly. This is the weekly. The same kind of pattern. See this fall and again moving up, right? So now the important demand is here, this entire area. So 20,500 to 19,500, 1000 point zone will give you a decent support to Bank Nifty. Until Bank Nifty closes below 19,500, we can buy on dips. The upper side targets, and following the Fibonacci, this is one. So this 61.8% tested and closed above. The next level is 22,900 on a weekly chart, right? So next key level is 22,900. It may be next series. For this week, that is the week ending 26th, right? So how we have to see where is the hurdle for the Bank Nifty. So this area may give some hurdle, but it already tested once, so it is not a fresh test. So it may surpass this high. So that means this high. This high is 21,800. So another 500 points up. So if this level surpass, there is a probability of testing 22,900. So we'll see on a daily chart also. See this area 21,600, 21,800 may be some kind of resistance for 1 or 2 days, and after that this level may be tested. This is the rally, drop, again rally. This rally 61%, 61.8% is here, 22,400. These are the levels to be noted. 21,800, after that 22,400, and again 22,900. These are the levels to be noted for the coming days for trading purpose. Based on these levels also you can have a option strategy. Here the important key level is 19,500. If the price closes below 19,500, then only we can expect a weakness in the Bank Nifty. It may fall down. Once the Bank Nifty crosses 22,500, there is a very rare chance of falling to this lows. Very rare chances. So maybe on the upside, maybe some more consolidation may happen. These levels are important, right? So how to trade on Monday? That we'll see. First we'll see on Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty. So how to trade on Monday Bank Nifty is a simple plan. The price comes to this area, we can enter. So this is the simple entry for the Bank Nifty on Monday. Any intraday dip or maybe gap down open or some kind of things. This is the entry price around 20,950 and keep a stop loss below 20,845, 100 point stop loss. Aim for a target of 400 points upside. So the simple target. If the price opens above a previous trading day high, wait for half an hour to see the settle the price to enter. So that is for Bank Nifty, and we'll see the Nifty also. This is the Nifty trade plan for Monday, only for Monday intraday. If any gap down opens, this is the entry around 10,100. Keep a 35 point stop loss and aim for about 75 to 80 point as a profit. If the price opens gap up, and wait for 15 minutes or half an hour to settle the price, and you can go for a long. Keep day low as stop loss. So for the Nifty, now we'll see the bull call spread. What is the risk? What is the reward? Friends, as I told in the beginning, so one option strategy for the July month contract, that to expiry 30th July. So two levels I told important, 10,700 and 11,000. So I'm going a bull call spread. So that means I'm buying 10,700 call. The previous closing price is 172 rupees 30 paisa, and I'm selling 11,000 call at 94 rupees. So I'm buying a call at 172 and selling a call 94. The risk involved, the maximum risk for this strategy is 5,872. Market goes down wherever it may be, even the Nifty goes to 6,000, even 5,000, my loss is only 5,800, right? And if the Nifty goes as expected to near to 11,000, my maximum profit is 16,627. So what is the amount required to buy this strategy? That we can see in the, see here why this important is, I have seen several factors here. The important is total delta is only 0.01%. So that is the main criteria I chosen these two strike prices, and also the levels as per my Fibonacci levels. I selected these two strike prices. Right, now we'll see the what is the margin required for this strategy. So this is the margin calculator in Sharekhan, the span calculator. So see, this is the Nifty 11,000, 10,700 call buying with a price of 172 rupees 30 paisa and selling 11,000 call at 94 rupees. Now the margins are reduced by the exchanges, so the brokers also giving the same benefit. So here the margin is showing only 15,100. So margin required is only around 15,000 or 16,000. Some brokers may charge you around 18,000 also. So that depending on the risk profile. So this is the margin, and the risk reward is excellent. I'm risking only 5,800 and I'm aiming for a target of 16,000 in the next month with a margin of almost say 20,000. So if you see the P/F graph also, this is the P/F graph for this strategy. If you see, this is the maximum loss, and here I'll get my break even around 10,770. And if the price goes above up to 11,000, I'll get a maximum profit of 16,000. So in between, if required, I have to do some adjustment. So I don't think much as adjustment is required in this strategy. Friends, every week I'm planning to give one strategy on options also. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please share it to your friends, give a thumbs up, and Please subscribe to my channel.